I hope you had a great day learning today, and you still have some specials that you probably want to do, but I just wanted to touch base with you and show you our cup of caterpillars. So here we go. Did you see them? I'll hold it there for you. And if you want to pause the video for a minute, you can get your journal that you've been writing in and draw the second entry for our caterpillars. Let me see if I can move it somewhere where you can see a little bit better. Can you? No, I guess that was a good spot for you. Take a look. I still see 5. I just noticed that some are getting fatter. Do you notice that? And this little guy over here, he's still kind of skinny. Let me turn it and see if you can see it better this way. Okay, there we go. Let me hold that. So make sure you record what you're looking at down into your second cup, and we'll keep watching. It looks like they've been eating some of that food and getting bigger. And I'm going to post a picture of the buckets because I planted some seeds and they're just sitting there right now, and hopefully they'll start sprouting soon, and maybe in a week you'll see some green popping up. We'll see. All right, have a great day. Bye-bye.